Mi'kmaq youth from all over Nova Scotia are doing some digging at Kedge Beach as part of an archaeology camp that includes hands-on learning in archaeological excavation. And what are we looking for here?
We're looking for artifacts.
Oh, that's
Artifacts
awesome.
are stuff that our ancestors used.
They're finding cultural material and artifacts that would have come from their ancestors directly.
We are looking to discover anything of cultural significance that pertains to the Mi'kmaq Nation, but we're also finding lots of European cultural material like nails.
Oh, I found something.
One item that's frequently been discovered is what's called a flake.
When you are carving things with rock and making arrowheads, shavings come off.
Those newly uncovered shavings help paint a vivid picture of what life must have been like for these children's ancestors.
I found 4 flakes, a lot of nails, and a lot of glass.
I found a flake and charcoal.
The pilot project is part of the Kedge Collaborative Archaeology Program, involving the joint efforts of Parks Canada and the Mi'kmaq of Nova Scotia.
Our hope is that it sticks with them and that archaeology is something that becomes important to them, and maybe someday we may have some future archaeologists in the crowd.
Made of this stuff. That stuff right here is what they made of it.